Hey guys, I wanted to do a weekly laundry routine. Like if you're working full-time, this might be kind of a good routine that you might find helpful, maybe, possibly, who knows. But anyway, on Mondays I just start off with my sheets and bath towels. I usually just mix them together. I'm not really grossed out by that. So, and then we use Persil Pro Clean laundry detergent. I'm clearly almost out, so I had to go get some during the week. So yeah, and then Monday night I was super lazy, did not fold my laundry, nothing like that. So this is actually Tuesday, and on Tuesdays I do a load of darks. So just getting all that in. And then what I separated, I put in this gentle cycle bag, anything that needs that. Throw it all in there. So this is the laundry that I should have folded Monday night, but I was folding it on Tuesday. So, yeah, you know, it happens, it's whatever. But I did fold this right away, and I put it away right away. That way it was just done. So I typically like to fold my laundry at night and then put it away in the morning before I have to go to work sometimes, if I have time. Sometimes I don't. I'm being honest here. But yeah, sometimes I think it's fun trying to race against the clock, getting everything done that I want to get done before leaving the house for work. So sometimes I kind of like psych myself into it. Alright, so you guys know I like to multitask. I used to work in a child development center, so multitasking is pretty much my name. So I'm getting dinner started, getting the meat cooking and all that, and I'm going to switch over the laundry, the load of darks that I threw in this morning, and I'm going to switch those over into the dryer while the meat is cooking up. Okay, so this is typically what I would do every night. I would fold the laundry, so just folding the load of darks. I have a TV show on, and I'm just kind of getting everything folded up, half folded, because I don't fold everything that I hang. There's no point to that. That's just wasting your time if you're going to fold something when you're going to unfold it and put it on the hanger. So don't do that. Save time. Just, you know, kind of lay it out so it doesn't get wrinkly. And I'm kind of a crazy laundry folder person. Whatever I have to actually fold, I throw out of the basket and then I go back and fold it. It's probably more time consuming because I think there's this one, I can't remember the name, but the one way whatever you touch, you fold it. But I just can't work like that. It just like throws me off. I need everything, like everything that I need to fold in one pile and everything I don't in another pile. So yeah, that's how I fold my laundry. And the show I had on was Riverdale. So if you guys are watching that, I'm watching the second season. It's pretty good. I keep having to start it and stop it, but it's pretty good so far. Okay, so this is actually Thursday because I took a break on Wednesday since I did catch up on Tuesday pretty much. So did I say I took a break on Wednesday? I took a break on Wednesday, was playing catch up on Tuesday. This is Thursday now. So on Thursdays I am doing a load of lights. and then putting away my load of darks. This is the nice thing about being caught up on laundry, is at least I know Alex's Monday uniform is done and I don't have to worry about it. In case I didn't feel like doing laundry that weekend, I can at least know for sure his Monday uniform is done. So that's kind of the nice thing about being caught up on laundry. The downside is I was running out of hangers, so I think I need to buy new hangers. So on Friday I was running out of hangers basically, but it's nice. It's actually nice to just feel caught up. So even though it's just Alex and I think if you had a large family, this might be kind of a good idea, possibly. I don't know, you may need to do 2 loads a day. Sometimes I do that if I'm really behind, but I was just doing 1 load a day and I skipped Wednesday. Okay, so this is Friday. I usually do some cleaning on Fridays and Thursdays. So I wash my cleaning towels and I hang up my load of lights, and you will see that I'm running out of hangers. I had to keep going and finding some hangers, and I was counting my shirts and counting my hangers like, oh, this isn't gonna work. And that's pretty much it, guys. Be sure to leave a comment down below, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. I hope you guys found this helpful. Let me know if you try this method out, if you have a bigger family and it works for you, or if you have any other laundry tips. I would love to know, because laundry is like my biggest downfall. It's just, even if I do this sometimes I just get behind. So yeah, leave your tips down below. As always, live life in full bloom, and I will see you guys later. Bye.